RV water heaters commonly develop leaks from the bottom, but most can be identified and fixed with the right approach. Safety is always the first priority when dealing with water heater repairs. Before inspecting any water heater leak, always turn off the electrical power and gas supply first. Allow the system to cool completely before beginning any work. Water heater leaks from the bottom typically stem from five main causes: faulty temperature and pressure relief valves, leaking drain valves, loose connections, heating element problems, or tank corrosion. Start your inspection by looking for puddles or dampness around the water heater base. Check all visible connections, inspect the pressure relief valve, and examine the heating element area for signs of leakage. For a leaking temperature and pressure relief valve, try flushing it first. Open the valve fully to clear any debris, then close it quickly. If the leak continues, the valve needs replacement. For other leaks, start by tightening any loose connections. Replace a leaking drain valve or faulty heating element. For complex issues like gas valve problems or tank cracks, consult an RV technician. To prevent future leaks, install a water pressure regulator. This device controls incoming water pressure and helps prevent damage to your water heater and plumbing system. Proper maintenance is the key to preventing RV water heater leaks and ensuring reliable hot water. Regular care extends your water heater's life and prevents costly repairs. Flushing your water heater annually removes sediment that accumulates at the bottom of the tank. This sediment reduces efficiency and can cause premature failure. When draining your water heater, always place a bucket underneath to catch the water. This prevents mess and allows you to inspect the water for sediment or discoloration. The anode rod protects your water heater tank from corrosion. Inspect it annually and replace when more than 75% is corroded. A heavily corroded anode rod like this one needs immediate replacement. Proper winterization prevents freeze damage. Use the bypass valve system to isolate your water heater during winter storage. This allows you to add antifreeze to your water lines without contaminating the tank. Installing a drain pan under your water heater catches leaks before they cause damage. Choose a pan that fits your water heater's base and install a drain fitting connected to a drainage system. Regular maintenance includes cleaning the burner assembly and checking electrical connections. Inspect vents for proper air circulation and remove any debris that could affect performance. Consider professional tune-ups twice a year to keep your RV water heater in top condition. Technicians can identify potential problems early and ensure all safety systems are working properly.